area just north of Yuma, Arizona, on the lower Colorado River. It is located between the upstream Imperial Dam and the downstream Laguna Dam. Mittry Lake has 750 acres, with much of the shoreline covered with cattails and bullrush. We stayed here approximately 7 days. We enjoyed the stay. It was absolutely lovely. You can stay here 10 days. It is Bureau of Land Management. It is located near the Yuma Proving Grounds. Yuma Proving Grounds is run by the Army. You can boat on the lake, and also there is a lot of fishing going on here. We've seen people kayaking. We would love to go back there again. It is a special little wonder.
They have tournaments on pretty well every weekend, and then on, I think he said Thursday night they have a tournament, little one. There. You're gonna end up in the water.
Come on, Rudy, don't. You think you're hunting? So we've been watching this guy park over across the street. Look how close he is to that Class A. And they're not home. They parked their car behind there. So I think somebody's going to be pretty unhappy when they get back. That's, what is that called? Not good etiquette?
Yeah.
Not good boondocking etiquette to park that close to someone else. The people in that Class C came out and looked already.
Shook their heads.